So this is a drawer full of suffrage badges.
There are pieces of the past that help tell our history. This video from a 2018 story gives us a glimpse into the Minnesota Historical Society's upcoming exhibit. The Votes for Women exhibit will focus on stories of women's suffrage in Minnesota. Because of the pandemic, it's gone virtual, set to launch on their website on August 26, 2020, 100 years after lawmakers signed into law the 19th Amendment, which upheld the right for women to vote.
The 19th Amendment was only the beginning.
Michelle Whitty is executive director for the League of Women Voters Minnesota. They've partnered with the Historical Society on this exhibit.
We really recognize that the 19th Amendment expanded radically, women's rights to vote, but that we know that women of color really could not access those rights until the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Also, Native American women weren't citizens until 1924.
The exhibit shares the stories of more than 40 Minnesota women, including Nellie Griswold Francis, an African-American suffragist who led the effort to enact a state anti-lynching statute in 1921.
Historically, we really have moved rights forward significantly, but we're still a work in progress and moving them forward today. And that's why I think it's really important for people to take time and really learn the history and really realize the relevance of history, but also the lessons we can learn.
Heidi Wigdahl, KARE 11 News.
If you or your kids want to learn more, the Minnesota Historical Society is premiering Votes for Women, an online exhibit that tells Minnesota women's stories. You'll be able to check it out on their website starting August 26.